at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. A statewide Amber Alert has been issued by the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation on behalf of the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office for Serenity Alana Marie Kinsey. Serenity is a 7-year-old white female with curly blonde hair and blue eyes, 3 feet 0 inches tall and 55 pounds. She was last seen at her residence in Dandridge, Tennessee at 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and was wearing black shorts and a blue shirt. Serenity is autistic and nonverbal. If you have seen Serenity or have information about her whereabouts, please contact the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office at 865-471-6000 or TBI at 1-800-TBI-FALD.
Thank you. Talk to the Amber Alert because WLAC-AM. What? Because still really, it's WLAC/WAC.